Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of Morgan Stanley bank account. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your online banking account. So then make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. First of all, open up your web browser. As you open up your web browser, right on top there's a search box, so then type in the link that is www.morganstanley.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So once you type in the link on the other page, you will be directed into official site. On this following page, in the top right corner, tap on client login. As you tap on client login, there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, you'll have to select your account type. Next page, you will be directed into login page. So in the left hand side corner, you can see there is a login interface, and over here you can see that without entering your following information, you'll not be able to log in into your account. If you're not able to log in because of your incorrect login information, that is your user ID or your password, so what you have to do is slightly scroll down. So right at the bottom you can see there are two different options, that is forgot username and forgot password. So then first of all tap on forgot password. As soon as you tap on it, right in center there is a pop-up, and once again you'll have to select your account type. On the other page you will be directed into help center. Right in center you can see you'll have to provide the following information in order to verify your identity. So first of all you'll have to enter your username. So make sure to enter the correct username that is associated with Morgan Stanley bank account. Next you'll have to enter your social security number. In case you don't have social security number, so then tap on don't have a social security number. So the alternative is that you'll have to enter the 4-digit number of your passport. After you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again, only then tap on continue. And as you tap on continue, on the other page you'll have to enter some information, and after that if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to reset or recreate a new password. So that is how you can recover your login information. And in case if you're not able to log in because of your incorrect user ID, the interface will remain the same. All you have to do is, instead of password, you'll have to tap on forgot username in the login page. And as I've already mentioned before, the interface will remain the same. Next, you'll have to go back to your login page once again and then log in with the newly created login information. And that is how you can recover your online banking account of Morgan Stanley. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.